Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Alright everybody, so here we are, and this is the time to just simply have an overall look over next better auth, not even next auth, and then we will be just going ahead. I will even be building a project using better auth, so let's see how that's gonna be going on. That is gonna be just any random YouTube project. Even I have the videos link and also I will be watching that and getting it done. Having said that, let's continue from here on. And when it comes to the better auth, the overall things I'm gonna be discussing over here. Once everything's clear, then of course we can just simply go ahead. So the first thing is that inside this leave, first of all, I got my db.ts. Again, I'm using Prisma over here, and that is why I have it simply over here. Prisma is going to be used for what? Prisma is going to be used for sessions and all. So all the session related stuff will be stored in Prisma. So if I actually go to tables over here, so inside this, what all I have? Reload the page. Don't I have anything or what? Migrations name. Okay, because I'm not storing the data over there, rather I'm using Postgres. I don't even have pgadmin. I'll have to install pgadmin over here. I need to have two things. First one is gonna be pgadmin. So let's install it. pgadmin on Ubuntu. So this is how I can simply install pgadmin. pgadmin apt. I can download from where? Container macOS Python. Okay, if I just try to click, okay, I'm redirected to the same page now, pgadmin 4, and I want it for apt. I'll have to install it manually, that's fine. Not even a big problem, I can do that. Apart from this particular thing, the quick thing that can be that simply using PSQL connected to that and then see the result and all over there. So what I'm gonna be doing here, just really quick, PSQL version, I hope I have that. PSQL command not found. So Postgres client common, I'll have to install it. PSQL. Installing PSQL does not mean that you have to install. When it comes to PSQL, how to install PSQL on Windows? Sorry, not Windows, Ubuntu. How to install PSQL in Ubuntu? That's it. Okay, Linux downloads Ubuntu. How to install and use PSQL on Ubuntu? PSQL, that is already installed in my database. So one thing I can do over here. How to install PSQL without Postgres? That's what I want to do. Sudo apt-get install Postgres client PSQL version, and that's it. PSQL is part of client. To install client and Ubuntu. This is it. I mean, that's what we have to do. Let's try it. Maybe I turned Postman on here. Close this. Control Shift V and enter it. Command not found. Interesting. Enter the password and let's see whether it gets installed or not. Okay, it's almost done. PSQL version, and turns out now I have PSQL. What is the next thing that I can do? PSQL database's name is gonna be how to connect to Postgres. So Docker process status, better auth builder. This is the Postgres running right now. What can I actually do? Docker images. I have, this is the image of Postgres. Docker full Postgres. I think it's gonna be time taking. Come on, really, it's gonna be time consuming. Time consuming in the sense, a lot of time consuming. Okay, by the way, meanwhile as it is happening, I can simply go through my notes and simply go here. I have to mainly learn about PSQL and all, and that must be in the Docker section where I learned about Docker. So I'm already here, so let's simply have a look at the command. So that command was related to PSQL, and this is it, PSQL. I have to give it the username. Username is gonna be Postgres. Port number is gonna be 5431. This should actually be 5432. Let's use that. Host is gonna be localhost. Database is gonna be my app database. Do I need to connect to that? Okay, database is not quite needed. That's crazy. Turns out it's done actually. What is the next thing? A Docker images. So I have my Postgres over here. Once I have my Postgres over here, so I will simply be running it. Before that, I have to install ps process status docker kill. I will just simply be killing it over here. Control C. Control C does not work. I should have known it. Control Shift C and Control Shift V. It turns out that it's crazy. Okay, let's run it now. Right now, it's been killed. Docker. Oh come on, yeah, bye. Docker PS. Okay, this is the Docker PSA. For all. See, these are the processes that I had. I'm just gonna be simply stomping kind of all of them. Should I do that? Yeah, why not? I can run them again if needed. So first of all the stopped containers that I have, I will be just simply removing them. By the way, what the hell? So many instances of barrier I have here. This is insane. That means it got connected those many times. I have no idea, but I had them, that is for sure. Okay, barrier turns out not to be working. This is the instance I have started. Reload it, and I'm still okay. Now it's working. I'm able to just switch. If I close this, that's fine. I still have one. Let's go to the dashboard of the Docker Hub. Not even Docker Hub, this is just Docker desktop and all. And in here, I can go to my containers. And these are the containers that I have by default. First of all, I will be deleting all of them. I don't need those containers, none of them. Once the containers are deleted, then I can run my Postgres. And even one more thing, I can remove one of the images from here. So Docker images, these are the images that I have, and this particular image needs to be removed. So let's get the ID of it. This is not how it works. Control C and Docker remove RMI. Control Shift V. Deleted. I hope this is how it's done. Docker images. Okay, that seems to have been deleted. Just a sec. So I have Postgres, I have MongoDB, I have Olama, I have WebUI, and I have VGBox. That's not needed even right now. So let's do one thing. Docker remove, and this particular thing is something that I have to remove. Docker PS for all, process status for all, that's gone. What is the next thing? Let's check the Docker images as well. Docker images. So these are the Docker images that I have. What is the next thing that I have to do? I have to run my Postgres. So docker run, but I have to, first of all, port number is gonna be 5432 and 5432. Then the name is gonna be Postgres DB, just like this. And I need to have the volume. What is going to be the volume over here? When it comes to the volume, I need to check this thing out exactly. What do we make the volume here? When it comes to Postgres, and mainly when it comes to the volume of that, so the volume is going to be Postgres DB. Okay, again, this is the Postgres DB volume, barely Postgres SQL. Really? Mongo data DB, Mongo. Machine code, container code, MongoDB, that's fine. That's the same thing I'm trying to do over here. So that's gonna be Postgres DB is equal to varly Postgres SQL. This is how it's gonna be going on. Postgres DB volume varly Postgres SQL. Let's do that. I mean, why not? So docker run 5432, name is gonna be Postgres, volume is gonna be Postgres DB volume, just like this. By the way, this will be /lib/ no /var/lib/ Postgres SQL. Anything else? Let's even check this thing. I have to run it in the, first of all, I have to run it in the detached mode, and second thing is that I have to run Postgres image. I hope this should be fine. Let's one more thing, how about keeping it inside a network? Not needed right now, so Ctrl+Shift+C. Let's check just this much, whether it's right or not, and then I'll simply be going ahead from here on. Is this right? I have port number, I have name, I have the volume, and then the name. Not quite, two things are missing, wrong. The official Postgres image to work reliably with persistence, what must say Postgres password. Okay, Postgres password I have once said. So varly Postgres data, not varly Postgres SQL. So I have to set the data as well over there, otherwise data may not persist correctly. Container is created. So few things that I need to change over here. First of all, run DB Postgres DB, that's fine. Postgres password is gonna be that Postgres user Postgres DB. These things even not needed. Postgres DB will simply create a DB inside that. Is that even needed? Database will be created inside Postgres. Okay, that's fine if I just mention that over here. This is gonna be kind of the one of the best commands actually. So why not just simply keep it here? What is special here, mainly in this particular field over here? Postgres SQL /data should be this. I can paste it over here as well. So ultimately, first of all, I have my name, then I have my Postgres password, then Postgres user, then Postgres database, port number. After port number, I have my Postgres DB volume, where I leave Postgres SQL and data, and then I have Postgres 15. Let's try the same thing. A few things that I missed over here. First of all, in here Postgres was fine. The only thing that I missed. Alright everybody, got actually some work. I have to go to get that done. Just within 20 minutes or something I'll be back, but yeah, I'll have